Welcome to Integrity Data. In this tutorial, we're going to go over our rounding policy. To get there, we go to Configuration, Rule Setup, and Rounding Policies. Now, these policies are basically outside of scheduled rounding, if used. And they're typically set up as a standard for 15-minute with a 7-minute split, or what's called quarter-hour rounding. That's the typical that they're set up for. So if we look at this one, and your system will come up with one automatically when it's set up, and you can decide to use that one or create another one. But we'll click on Edit, and we'll see what we've got here. This one's set up to go to the nearest 10-minute mark. So if they clock in at 9:04, it's going to go back to 9. If they clock in at 9:06, it's going to move their time and start calculating. I say move their time. I don't mean that literally. It's simply going to start calculating their time from 10 after 9. The shift threshold is usually a low number down here. Now, you can set up rounding based on when they transfer or change, switch departments, their lunch duration, breaks. But normally the start and end is what we're rounding our times to and from. And that's normally going to be 15 and 15 here for quarter-hour rounding. Our policy name just needs to be different from another name up here, and the description can be what you like. And then we save, and we have it set. To assign employees to this rounding rule, you would click Assign Employees. These are the employees I already have signed to the rule. I can click Filter, and we can see those employees that are not assigned. Now, they could be assigned to another rule in here, or maybe these employees, for whatever reason, their time is not rounded. It's up to you on who you assign and not assign a particular rounding rule. But you would select the employees that you need and then click Confirm. Now, normally, if nobody's been assigned to a rounding rule, they'll all come up as blank. You can click on this check mark here, and that will at once assign everybody to it, and then you can click Confirm and click OK. So that covers the standard rounding rule. Thank you for watching.